Yo, I gotta admit and agree with Gary V, man. When it comes to the life of a solopreneur, cash is definitely oxygen. What's up, life of a solopreneur? Get ready to make a sale, and what I'm gonna sell is these things right here. See this? These bracelets. Hopefully we'll see what we can do, see if we make a sale at all. Alright, we got like 5 of them, and we'll see if the person wants to buy all 5, or if they just want to get one. Alright, so time to get that money on, all right? One of the multiple streams of income. All right, it's buying low to sell high, a little bit high or higher, all right? So let's see how it goes. All right, coming up on the meeting spot where I agreed to meet this person to make the transaction here. See how things go. And if I see her or him, whoever it may be, what I'm going to do is put the phone up against the windshield so you won't hear any audio once I get out the car. Maybe next time around, if I do another transaction in the near future, I will be able to do the transaction. We'll see what happens. All right. This dude, is this some type of, I don't know if this is dude or what. Shoot. All right. Just made a sale, man. So those bracelets, $3 a piece. I have had 5 of them, and she wanted all 5. So there you go. And here's the money right here. 3 for 5. That's $15. Here it is. All right. $15. So that's how you do it, man. Buy low and sell high. See, so when I started out this time around, I had a TV for sale, and so I got a lot of offers, a lot of views on the TV, probably between 430, maybe 500 views for the TV. For the bracelets, I don't know what I have for the bracelets. I might have had about 100 and something views. And so That was in roughly, I say about 5 days, 4 to 5 days time, and made the sale. So I started like maybe Monday, and it's now Saturday, so not bad for a quick, easy way to generate money legally. You're not doing anybody wrong. All right, you're not selling anything illegal, and you get some money out of it. All right, I have to check these dollars though. They look legit. Put them into that. See the little strips and a few other little things here. And so it appears to be some good money. The feel to them. Sometimes you can feel the difference between fake paper and real paper. So therefore, there you go. All right. That's how we're gonna roll with it. That's how we're gonna rock it. Just like that. It's time I get some more things, buy some more things for low and sell them higher. And let's see, $15. I made about, for what I paid for them, I made about, I don't know what the percentage would be. I'd say I made about $8 more in profit from what I actually paid for the 5. So now I'll take some of that and flip it some more, get some more maybe of the same, or get something, try something different, or get some of that and then try something new, get some new products, and then experiment and see if those products are liked, and we'll go from there, sell some more, and just keep on compounding and flipping. Just like that, all right? Be a simple compound and flip. So $15, just made a quick 15, just like that. And incidentally, you guys should be teaching your kids, man. I know they all into the video games and the anime and all that, but especially black parents, it's all cool to tell them to go to school and go to college to get a job and use their intelligence to make others rich. It's okay if you want to do that for your kid, your son or your daughter. I'm talking to black folks in particular this time around. If that's what you want to continue doing, I'm not going to go in on that. I'm not going to go in on y'all. But I'll say this. In addition to wanting them to get a good education, meaning get all that knowledge they're getting in, putting in their brains, so they can get a good job, and take that knowledge that they have, and instead of, I'm gonna go in a little bit, all right? Instead of taking that knowledge and being creative with that knowledge and taking it and doing something with it to grow a business of their own, send them to college, send them to school, and let them use their knowledge to build up others. That's cool. That's what you want your son and daughter to do. Cool. But on top of that, as an addition to that, at least let them be able to thank you later, or tell you later on, I'm glad you showed us how to make some money, because we in college and X, Y, and Z is going on, and I needed X, Y, and Z dollars. And I thank you for showing us different ways of doing it. Have that on your resume as a parent as well. All right. So get them into learning how to make money, generate an income on their own. And it can be as simple as buying something cheap, even if you start them off with a few things, and then once they get the hang of it and you show them the ropes on how to take the money they made from selling whatever product they sold, because they bought this product low and they sold high. Now teach them how to flip that and how to take the excess of it, put it away, take the other excess of it, and buy some more products with, so you can keep stacking over here, and you can keep taking the other stack and flipping, getting some more products, more of the same, maybe doing a variety of things, a variety of products, or sticking with the same product and keep on flipping it until it doesn't become as popular. Then you go to a new product. You take your money, go to a new product. All right. And maybe another video I will add on to this video right here. All right, because there's some other things they can do with that, with the money that they stacking, that they putting it to the side, and taking the other half. Maybe you can split it in half. Take half of the money you made, use that to buy more products, buy low, sell high, and take the other half and put it to the side, and you can do some other things with that. All right. That way, you can send your kids to college. You can have them use their knowledge for, to build other people's businesses up. That's all right. They're still getting money, but at least they'll have two incomes. Like I said, I won't go in hard on that because there's a whole big thing I could say about that, and others have already said. But I'm just gonna leave it at that. Teach your kids now at an early age, whether they in middle school, high school, even in college, man. If you didn't get to them in time, you still can teach them to know how to generate money on the side. And what's so fun about it, you can make it a fun thing in college, because now you can get products, or you can find out products that college kids need, college students, and you can flip it and sell it to them. So you got customers kind of already automatic and baked in. baked in customers. All right. So that's something to consider. Make a good situation out of what might not be the best situation. All right. So there you have it. All right. Life of a solopreneur. One more time. There's the 5. All right. There's the 10. Took some products and flipped it. Now I'm gonna decide how much of this I'm gonna take and flip it some more. All right. Anyway, I'm out of here. Peace. Teach your kids how to be entrepreneurs. It doesn't have to be so extravagant and difficult. It's just simple. This is what I like doing. This is one of the things I like doing. So I'm gonna keep on doing this. Even if I make bigger, let's say if I made $50 million doing other things, I'm still gonna go back to this, man, because it's just fun, and you learn some stuff about it. You learn about business anyway by doing this. So, and it's something that your kids can grasp and take that and be more creative with it. All right. So once again, I'm out, man. Life of a solopreneur. Let's make that money, baby.